So here is the first thing that you have to quit. Trying to please everyone. Yes, this is the biggest mistake the nice people, the good people, the optimistic people, they do, because they are always positive and they are always focusing. And all of you are who are very optimistic, very positive, nice people, because you want to create a positive impact. So eventually you end up trying to please everyone. You focus on everyone. You think that you should not hurt anyone, or what you are doing or what you are creating is not hurting anyone. But in this process, what happened? You forget yourself. Trying to please everyone or trying not to disturb everyone, in this process you become so concerned about only and only other people and their desire or their expectations from you. You forget your goals, desires and dreams. Or even if you remember your goals, desires and dreams, when you try to please everyone, then you don't have the time or energy to work on your dream. If you keep supporting everyone, if you're trying to please everyone, if you're responding to their desires, then you won't be having the time or energy to work on yourself. And at the end of the day, you realize that you didn't do anything for yourself. You didn't have the time to work on yourself. You didn't have the time to build your dreams. And as these things keep happening again and again and again in life, eventually you start being frustrated on yourself, you start being unhappy with yourself, and things started going down. And slowly your vibration goes down. And that's when you reach a point where even pleasing other people or helping other people become a difficult thing for you. So first thing you need to understand that if you try to please everyone, you will never be able to please everyone, no matter what you do, no matter how much you sacrifice, no matter how good you are. What you need to understand is that you have to stay an optimistic person. You have to be that good person. You have to be that helping person. You have to be that nice person. But always ask yourself that, are you working on your dreams or not? Are you first taking care of your desires, your purpose or not? And then when you are helping other people, see that you are helping the right people or not. They are genuine, their demand or their expectations is right and aligned and positive or not. Sometimes I know many people, they do things that they really don't want to do it, but because they are so nice that they cannot say no. And they let other people, they let negative people take all their advantages and they keep using them. So this is why many good people or nice people are suffering in life, because they let the negative people, they let the people who just want to take advantage. So you may be letting other people do that so far, but this is the time when you have to stop and you have to remember that I don't have to please anyone. I don't have to please anything. I have to work on myself. And then after working on yourself, working on your dreams, if you have time, energy, help other people. And when you are working on your dreams, the people who really care for you, the people who really love you, and the people who are the positive people, they eventually understand that yes, what you are doing the right thing.